Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you my whole trading setup. Now be sure to like and subscribe because I will go into the details of things like my massive 49-inch monitor and the details of my computer and all the tech stuff in a later video. But in this video, I'm going to go over my TradeStation setup, my TradingView setup, and how I'm using my screen space. I'll also go over what fees I'm paying to get what data and what other subscriptions like my scanners that I'm paying for. So to give you an idea of my screens, right now I've got a 49-inch curved screen down here at the bottom. This one is a 5K monitor. It's equivalent to two 27-inch 2K monitors. And then up here on top, I've got a 1080p 27-inch and another 1080p 27-inch. I actually like having the 1080s up there at top because it makes everything a little bit bigger for me to see. And then the things on this screen are a little bit smaller and more crisp. Now let's jump into how I'm using this screen space. Okay, so first off, my top left screen. I use TradingView for all of my charting. And I have a premium subscription, which costs about this on their site. Or you can wait for a Black Friday deal or something like that. And I pay $6 a month for data because I only pay for these 3 exchanges. And that's what works for me. Now that data, you have to remember, is for TradingView. It's for the candles, for the data that's going into the charting, not for the data that's in the DOM for this right here. This actually pulls from TradeStation if you link TradeStation or another broker. I'll go over that in a second. But this is what I keep on my top right screen, which is all the internal type of things like SPY, the S&P 500 futures, the NASDAQ futures, all those kinds of things that are internals, advanced decline, the VIX, that I just kind of keep an eye on to get an idea of how markets in general are performing. From there, I keep up 8 more charts on my left screen up top, and this one I just keep the top 8 stocks that I'm watching. So some of the stuff that are running, like today there was WAFU running. So I would keep this up on my charts just to keep an eye on it. So I keep that one on my top left. I also keep this on my top left. This is my news, which comes from Trade Exchange. You can see the fees here, and I've also got a link down below for Trade Exchange to get you half off on your first month. I actually don't get any kickback on that, so I just think they're the best when it comes to affordability and real-time market news. I also really like their morning reports. So they'll send you a morning report that tells you all the biggest gainers and losers, and you can see them right here. But you'll get a whole morning report emailed to you that you can look over and see what's happening and know what kind of things are going to be happening, like Fed announcements and stuff like that. And then it also has live squawk. So if I turn that on, the guy will talk to me and tell me some news alerts. So that one I also keep up on my top left screen. Next, this is the reason I don't stay logged into TradeStation on all 3 of my windows, because I have 3 separate windows open of TradingView, because this will come up if you stay logged in on multiple windows. So to make sure that it doesn't auto log me out, I only stay logged in on one window. So I'll just log in on this window where I just type in my username and my password. So now it's connected to my TradeStation account and everything will work simultaneously with what I do in TradeStation. So I use this mainly to set limit orders that are like far away or to do my OCO orders because I like the way that this thing feels right here. Now you can also use the DOM, which works pretty decently. It's just not my favorite way to trade, just personal preference, but this does work pretty well as well. Now then over here on the left of this window, I keep open the Discord, which you should for sure join. Link is also down below to join our server where we just talk about trades, and I also do a lot of live streaming. In the future, the live stream will probably only be available for course paying members, which exciting news, I just finished the course today, so it's going to be released very soon, which I teach how to find your own trading style. So sign up for TraderCreatorPro.com to get on the email list to get notified about that release. But in the meantime, you might as well just join the Discord because it's free and I give tons of information on there. And then from here, I'm going to scroll over on my screen and show you the right side of my screen. So this is equivalent to one 27-inch 2K screen over here. So I keep up this scanner, which is Trade Ideas. Now with Trade Ideas, I pay about $1,000 a year to keep up these scans. But and these scanners are also something that I stream live a lot in the Discord group. And they're custom ones that I built for my strategy, but it might not fit your strategy. But it does give you some good, solid movers. Now right here is my TradeStation setup. I can trade much quicker using this over here rather than the chart trading over here. So I use the chart trading for the slower trades or when I just want to set a limit order. And then when I'm trading something that's fast, you know, like today, WAFU, WAFU was really fast. I definitely was trading that using TradeStation, not TradingView. And I can quickly jump into a position either by using this trade bar down here where I can hit auto and change this to like an auto limit price or join the buy at bid or sell. Or I'll use this quick trade bar down here, which is very fast at entering and exiting trades. It's one of the best tools for scalp trading. I can quickly buy at limit on a bid or sell on the ask, and I can change my position size really quick or hit the P to copy my current position size. And then I've got buy market, take, which is I buy on the ask, or hit, which is sell on the bid. I can split it, bid +1, ask -1. There's so much I can do here. And then I've got cancel all, which will just cancel all my orders with this ticker, or hit close. We'll just do a market order, close out my position. And it will cancel all my other orders as well. So I really like the close button actually. But I think this is one of the fastest ways to be scalp trading, is using TradeStation, using this right here. The only fees that I pay for TradeStation are the fees for the market depth, which is level 2, for the NASDAQ. And I don't pay the extra price for the total view. I just do the normal one. Gives plenty of data for me. With TradeStation, my fees are only $17 a month. TradingView, $6 a month, plus the yearly fee to be using the platform. Then I use Trade Ideas, which is about $1,000 a year, and then my news service, which is about $400 a year. But they often do deals. So that's my full setup and how I use my screen space. So comment below, let me know what questions you have about my 49-inch monitor, and I'll be going over later if it's worth the big price tag to get rid of that little bezel. So be sure to like, subscribe, go to TraderCreatorPro.com and sign up for the email list to be notified about the release of the course. It will be released soon, and this will be the cheapest price possible for it. So if you're struggling to find a strategy that fits you, I'm not saying my strategy is the way for you, and that's the purpose of the course, to help you find a strategy that fits you, not a strategy that fits some guru on YouTube. You have to find a strategy that's meant for you. So sign up for that, also get on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.